attend the trainings program, journey towards success. इनफैक्ट मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं ये जताना चाहता हूँ, आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपका कोई मकसद है, सी गोल्स तो सब अचीव करते हैं, या गोल्स एक सबका एक मकसद रहता है, एक ऑब्जेक्टिव रहता है लाइफ में, बट सिर्फ गोल होना एक बात है, बट हाउ टू अचीव स्टेप बाय स्टेप, gradually, one by one, and then how you are going to acquire. I am telling you, you will go much beyond this success by attending this program. First, the process is that when you come here, entire detoxification hota hai. Right from the step one is that whatever mindset you had been carrying since so long, you may be a doctor, you may be a lawyer, you may be an engineer, you may be an architect, you may be a consultant, but I am telling you, whatever cowwag, whatever negative mindset which had been there throughout this long years, that entire is purified. First तो उसको हम लोग उसको निकाल देते हैं, then gradually actually we go on a spiritual, we go on lot of other processes. There are stages, and after that the positivity and the energy is being installed in your mind, which mobilizes, which give you a momentum. I am telling you, this course is like a catalyst which will expedite जो आप actually दौड़ते थे, अभी आप उड़ेंगे. Believe me, I am telling you, if you are not attending this course, if you are not taking the right decision at the right time for grabbing the right opportunity, then you are missing. I am telling you, the hospitality, the training is awesome. Believe me, there will be a transformation in your life. It's not a money back guarantee, it's a life guarantee. Thank you.